Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Samsung Galaxy A40. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the settings. So let's open up the settings. Now what we want to do next is go over to sounds and vibration. Here we need to make sure that the sound mode is set on sound. Next, we need to go to volume right here, and we need to make sure that our media volume, for an example, is turned all the way to the right. So the media is all the videos, the music we play, and practically anything else, because here we cannot change the call volume. So make sure to check and adjust those levels. Now what you guys can do next is clean the speaker grills. So as you guys can see here, we have one at the bottom and we can easily thoroughly clean it. So after we clean it with a soft brush, for an example, we can also use the air compressor, but the soft brush is way better. Now what we want to do next is disable the Bluetooth to ensure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else. So go to the settings, now go over to connections, and make sure that Bluetooth right here is with the switch turned to the left, so the switch is not blue but gray. That means our Bluetooth is disabled. So now, after disabling the Bluetooth, what you guys can do is restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button, now press on restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's restarted. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is check for software updates. So unlock the phone, now let the Android turn on completely, and then go over to the settings. So now let's open up the app drawer, let's go over to the settings, and here you guys need to scroll a bit down until you guys see software update. Now click it and click on download and install. Now after you click on it, you should be in the checking for updates. So as you guys can see, it was due to me connecting to the server, so you guys do not need to spam like that, but it will check for updates automatically. Now my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version, and that way you get rid of probably every single glitch. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.